him. So let me study about the dynamic behavior of more complicated processes. Yeah. As we studied before, we have the transfer function, first order and second order transfer function. Okay, for first order transfer function, we have the standard form is k tau s plus 1. Yeah, y over us. This is the first order transfer function. Yeah. For the second order transfer function, we have standard form k over tau square s square 2 theta tau s plus 1. This is the second order transfer function. Okay, now we continue to more complicated processes. So in this transfer function consists of numerator and denominator. So for the general form, yeah, transfer function can be write as numerator over denominator. Okay. So there are several standard form, yeah, several standard form for this transfer function. Okay, so for standard you can use this y or g or q is no matter, yeah, y g. Okay, so here I write gs. It can be written gs with this form. Si over so from the numerator from 1 till m, denominator from 1 till n, yeah, a I s I. Okay. So we can write b m s square s power m plus d m minus 1, yeah, s power m minus 1 plus until d 0, yeah, d 0 s power 0 is 1, yeah, over m n s power n plus a n minus 1 s power n minus 1 plus, yeah, until a 0. From this form we can find the gain, yeah, gain of the process, that is b 0 over a 0. So from this form the gain of the process is b 0 over a 0, yeah. And another form, you can write the general transfer function using zero pole form. So gs, yeah, can be written as in this. So bm s s minus 0 1 time s minus 0 2 time etc. Yeah, until s minus 0 m. Oh sorry, z. Yeah, z is 0. Yeah, z z is 0. The abbreviation of z is 0. So an, yeah, over an s minus p1. P is pole. So I said 0, 1, 0, 2, 0. M mean the factor on the root of the denominator, we call it as pole, and the root of numerator we call it as 0. Okay, s minus pole 2, yeah, till s minus pn. Yeah. So from the physical realizable, yeah, physical realizable, the value of m should be less than or equal to n. So if m more than n, mean physically not realized. Yeah, physically not realized. That we studied before, that our differential equation come from our material or energy balance. Yeah, and we got that the m here order of denominator more than order of numerator. Okay, and then the third form, yeah, I read here that Gs also can be written as K, yeah, tau As plus 1, tau B S plus 1 time extra, yeah, tau B tau C, yeah, and then tau 1 S plus 1 tau 2 S plus 1 time blah blah blah. Okay, so this is there are 3, yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the third standard form we call it as 0 pole. So 0, because this 0 may be more than 1, yeah, and pole, so the pole may be more than 1, 0 pole transfer function. Yeah. Okay, so this is the 0 pole transfer function. For the transfer function in the second form, the K mean the gain is B0 over A0. Yeah. For this transfer function, the K is here. Okay, now we study about the effect of pole in S plane. Yeah. So just consider that we have studied that our first order, yeah, our first order system, K is tau S plus 1. If we introduce a step with magnitude m, then we got the yt, yeah, after we inverse Laplace transform, we got that yt is Km time 1 minus E time T over tau. Okay. So this form we can transfer to another form, yeah, K over S plus 1 over tau, yeah, M S, right? And we also can write using pole zero, yeah, pole zero or zero pole transfer function K M over tau divided by S minus, so S minus pole 1, pole 2, right? So the pole 1 is minus 1 over tau, okay, time S minus 0, okay. So in pole S plane, yeah, S plane we can through the S plane here. So this is S plane. This is imaginary part, imaginary part for the y-axis, and x-axis is real part. Real part. Why? Because maybe in some cases we face that the root on the factor of the denominator consists of complex conjugate. So for complex conjugate there are imaginary part, right? But in our case still only real part. So there are on the pole here, yeah, the place of pole, the first is at 0 and the second at minus 1 over tau, yeah. So this is the negative, and from 0 more than 0 will be positive. We know that this response is, yeah, this response yt is like this, yeah, with the maximum is Km. But how if, yeah, how if I change the pole is positive, yeah, the pole is positive here. In our case, our first case, the pole is negative or positive here. The pole is negative. Here, pole is negative. Okay. How if the pole is positive? Yeah. How if the pole is positive? Then we can write our first order system, first order transfer function to be Km over tau over S minus, yeah, right, the pole is positive, M over S, and then we got, yeah, we get the yt will be Km time 1, okay, minus E power plus or minus power plus, yeah, T over tau. So what the effect of plus pole here? Okay, so for the first case, E minus tau, T over tau. So when the T longer and longer, the value will be from 0. If T is 0, the value here is 1, yeah, from 1. So 1, and then if T is longer and longer, the value here will be 0. Okay, how in this case when t 0, the value will be 1 also. Okay, 1 also mean that 1 minus 1 0. So at the beginning the same. How if I add the t maybe 0.1 will increase mean more than 1 or less than 1? More than 1, yeah, more than 1, then minus 1 minus more than 1 will be negative. Or if I increase again, then till infinite, so the response will negative, yeah, till infinite value. Okay, till infinite value for the case if the pole is positive, mean that here 1 over tau make the process will be unstable. So yeah, if the pole is positive, the process will be unstable. This is our conclusion. Yeah, our conclusion is if pole positive, one or more, yeah, only one pole positive, the response will be unstable. If pole positive, the response will unstable. Okay, so what the effect 0 plays in S-plane to a response? Yeah, maybe some controller. So some controller, it has lead-like element. Yeah, some controller algorithm has lead-like element. The lead-like element can be write in differential equation like this: tau 1 dy over dt plus y is equal to k tau a du over dt plus u. So this is the lead like element in a controller algorithm. Yeah, in a controller algorithm. This differential equation can be transferred to the Laplace form to become like this: Gs is k. So you can derive this differential equation to be Laplace transform. Yeah, k tau as plus 1 divided by tau 1s plus 1. Okay, so in this transfer function there is a 0 value here. There is 0 value. How if we convert this transfer function to 0 pole transfer function? Yeah, so Gs will be k tau a, yeah, over tau 1 s plus, yeah, actually minus, so minus plus is minus minus, minus 1 over tau a, yeah, divide by s minus 1 over tau 1. Okay, and then what the response. Yeah, we inverse this Laplace transform. So the GT, so here GT from the inverse Laplace transform of our Laplace transform, and we get the response is Km. Yeah. Response after we introduce the step response. Yeah, the step input. Sorry, we input the step. So so the GT will be Km 1 minus 1 minus tau A over tau 1, yeah, E power T over tau 1. So GT after we input the step, yeah, after or if, yeah, if we input the step with magnitude m over s, then we get the response is like this. Okay, the response of this GT, yeah, can be divided by 3 cases. So the response, yeah, can be categorized, yeah, or divided into 3 cases. Yeah, the first case if tau 1 more than 0 less than tau A. Yeah. Second one, tau A more than 0 less than tau 1. And the third case is tau A less than 0. Okay. So now, yeah, we decide that the tau A is a certain number. Yeah. For example, tau A is for example, yeah, tau A is 4 here, and then tau 1, yeah, tau 1 is 4, tau 1 is 4, and then tau A from the first case, tau A is 8. For the second case, tau A is 1 and 2, and the third case, tau A is minus 1. Sorry, tau A is minus 1 and minus 4. Okay. Then the response of the GT, yeah, will be like this. Yeah. When the tau A 8, yeah, the tau A 8, so this one is the Km value. When tau A is 8, the response like this. Tau A 8. Okay. For tau A minus 4, yeah, tau A minus 4 on the third case, the response like this. Yeah, tau A minus 4. So from minus 4 till 8. So from the minus 1 here, and for tau A 1 is here. Sorry. if the tau A 2 here, if tau A is 4, mean the same with tau 1 will be km. Yeah, okay. So this is tau A minus 1, tau A 1 here, tau A 2, yeah, km here, tau A 4, the same with tau 1. So this is the response of lead lag transfer function if we introduce input step with magnitude m.